Kirikan naru rak sudah. Bukan lapres. Eupan kamu memiliki cimerisin. Dari terang sama. Karena kita ini. Kiri sungai itu tren. Ikan. Dia mau sewangi kits berbusin. Yang muri. Si popul. Amat tu kits pasul kits merah. Orang ada keritan. Keritan hari. Apa? Orang pikir besi. Buat tiras. Bukan kamu sakit surga. Jadi besi dari pasul jadi kits. Buat ciri-ciri kits ngori pulau. Kayak putih sungai sekarang masih di Toga, Arizona. Juga dari Puerto Rico, Bakersfield. Jadi susah, lapar pulau. Juga soal asli seperti sisi ya. Susah berdiri dari masuk. Itu guys. Kay masyadong hindi po natin. Deritan. Apa-apa niluluan. Pero sa junior high school, Selynn. Ye, ang siya ay Chuukese ni po natin. Deritan apa-apa niluluan. Behind that, wabar yun. Natin din kisumari ko, friend. Iye ganit. Tapos yun pa. Ang mga family, pagtunggulo ko iya. Kemudian awasi. Baik buku cerai dari Selynn. Cerai pun dari dan Lyon siap tu lebih pun awasi ini. Sekarang kita nak cerita. Okay, Velma. Where's Velma? Ava. And we also have Ava. How do you do? And then we have right here Selynn. Let's get this thing started. Siap, itu guys. Kita sabi juga kamu nanti federasi pun jadi juga buat apa yang kan kita bisa tahu. Ya. Put that. You have to.
welcome back to another video. It's Selynn's graduation party. We're gonna have fun today, eat a lot of food. Shout out to all the graduates and all the people that are moving on to like other grades. Say hi again. Huh? What have you guys been doing while you're here in Seattle? Huh?
Yeah, we went.
You went to the ferry? Oh, you went on the ferry? Nice. Selynn, who was that you said also graduated with you? Oh yeah, who's that?
My cousin.
Oh, your cousin?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's the mom?
The guy. Alden. Golden?
Oh, no, I said who's the mom, and then you said the dad. Oh, okay. She came from Arizona? Say hi to the vlog. Come back. Why are you running away? Come on.
Oh, I watch your vlog.
Oh yeah?
I mean, I watch your videos.
Okay, did you subscribe? Huh?
Subscribe to the channel.
Okay. See, now you get to go home and you're gonna watch this video.
Oh, I put, turn on notifications.
That's good. That's good. Sup, kabuk? Any baby? Ikaw po gilirit sa video. What's up, Kabo? Say hi. Come on. Yeah, Japanese me come on. Kemudian pik. Ya, ini kapan kemudian pik. Sam kamu. Kamu. Hi, Carl.
Congrats to all the kids that graduated.
Bisa kiri kata keritor. Kere apa actually raka? Oh, puedo mover la foto y la. Quiero mover. Hi, Austin.
What's up, guys?
You missed mommy and daddy when you were in Hawaii?
Yeah.
Yeah. I went to video your. I went to shoot a video for where you were born.
Oh, really?
And you were still baby. No, to Hawaii, but I shot where Auntie Lily used to do laundry, where she would wash his underwear.
Whoa!
Yeah.
He's flying, guys.
What's up, Rosin? How are you? Hey.
High five.
Okay. Easy on the food, guys. Huh?
Where's the big plates? Sorry, Mom. Only important.
Yeah, no big plates today.
We're on a diet today.
We're on a diet, only for.
Look at my plate already.
No, two cold plates.
So, couple minutes of chuk. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. What's up, Junjun? Ladies and gentlemen, we have some visitors from Arizona. Here comes the first one on the line. I told you, now that you're in the video, you have to go back and watch the video, subscribe, get some more of your families. Yeah.
She'll teach me how to do that. I don't know how to do it.
Bigger than me.
Right, that's when you'll show me how to. I don't even know how to log into my own ICTV. I know.
This is for support.
I know, somebody was saying that she's on diet and yet, you know, it's alright, it's alright.
It's a seafood diet.
Sample it. Sample.
You're gonna need to leave a lot of room.
Okay, here. See? I brought it for my birthday. You're gonna get a lot of time.
Well, here's some more seafood right here. It's good. Right over here.
I do not say no to
What's up, man?
Yo, what's up, dude?
Apa sabi ka po pa iyo?
She's from Satawan. She came from Arizona. Where do you go in Arizona?
Iya ikaw, say lo sa pahami kan sa kuchon pig. Say something to the vlog. Thanks for doing the hard work today, guys. Yep. Barbecuing. All right, here comes the graduates. What's your name? I don't think you are the what's your name? Effa? Effa? Oh, you also graduated? Promoted. Okay. Okay. Congratulations.
Also Maya.
Oh, who? Maya? Okay. Congratulations too. And is that your friend right there? Because she looks familiar. Hello.
I need to say hi.
So quiet.
I'm gonna get a
You take your Hawaiian shirt? Huh? Gusto mo kichok cookie garay? Sapot mo rin. Oh, sorry. Congratulations to you. Do you want to say something? Come on, face the camera. All right, say something. Come on. Don't be shy. Okay. Congratulations again. Where are you going after?
I'm gonna start working, then I'm going to college.
Okay, that's good. That's still good. All right. And you two are? Did you guys graduate too? No. Okay. Wait. Oh, you guys get to stay back and take care of the kids now? Say hi. Hello.
Good news. Asusunod City High School for cooking up with area fund. Kisuri Gary leadership every to the Iran. I'm at the Tosuturio. You project Kisuri co-parents. You know who you are. Thank you for raising the kids so nicely. You are Kisuri. Irach Puig Bilito City, Joag, Key, Visit the Territory Chamber 50. I'm not very good at names. I have to know you at least 3 weeks before I know your name. And if I don't know your name, sorry. Maybe Sento is not doing his job introducing everybody in here. So, but thank you God for everything. He's so very good. Kaya alam mo rin each, nari-rari ka rin. He's so rin, everybody. He's so job.
So God, thank you. We are very honored and blessed that we have our family here with us from Arizona. So I want to ask our brother Mike if he has something to share with us.
I feel like I'm not qualified. I graduated way too long ago. Good evening, everybody. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I kind of unprepared for this, but just wanted to say thank you to everybody here. Thank you to all the families. We've felt very welcomed ever since we got here last week. I think we've had a really great time here. I just want to say our appreciation. And I think she said she was going to come up and say something too. No? Okay. All right. Well, just want to again congratulate all the graduates. I think multiple levels, right? There was some grade schoolers and some high schoolers. Congratulations on that accomplishment, that achievement. I hope you continue your education and find the path that you want to live, because I think that's really what's important. So again, just want to wish you guys well. Thank you to everybody, and good night. Kasalilia.
Nubuan di orang ngeri, even masyarakat non which of friends serve technicity, get our follower. Get go pass your ngeri. Hari yang baca tak bisa kau pun, dah rasa kurang.
Coba bahasa seferi. Skill show. Jadi para member ada desa pasar cross ini minum teman ke rafa kau rata. Skill show seferi jadi.
I medicine na boror ke parents ke dois ke ra para o se coach kiri ar sugun me tir paror fanson pasawera sia arian body gitu non amika ikami future el ke bu pare war kuruk yari par pusir ki samne el ku mi chak choror ne chkara semo para wesi par encourage ri ka apa kurir arropa masopirari ka sugun so para komakot non ar ekie ke non marawer met mi siraat to se kota stipatje kaat sire ka sire medisi minne met si boflori si botpa waru kota ar ko to giri pa sapora mi suku na poror por kids parents por chakure ka encourage ar boy por sapora sap turaro wa kachaka basai bu siaga kira chommo saya wesi ar suku e pui rio sika pui ka achi botong ri nenrong no sa chi me ta tu vichinga ka chi ni pa kingan nge sapat to ti won ekara piro ro patta botong ri na chere me para chi otak me para cha kurang ri samein pui dai ach mangorong achi ba ka chakura ro chi norka function mas kiso.
First and foremost, I'd like to give our Heavenly Father our thanks for His grace that I'm here today to witness my daughter graduation. My dad didn't make it to my graduation, so I'm grateful that I'm still alive, witnessing my daughter graduated from high school. Rowan, I want to thank everyone for coming to Selynn's graduation party. Our family from Arizona, thank you all for coming. Family from Marysville, thank you for taking the time to come to celebrate with Selynn. I'm so proud of Selynn for completing his the first step. So, in a family, which of it is so red. Having done somebody or a family of soon, a family non called. It is so red. Having a totally a function. I encourage many kids' parents, which I'm happy. The Bible said to train up our children in the Lord. I'm trusting the Lord that wherever He'll take Selynn for the next education, furthering her education, I'm trusting that God will take care of her, and I encourage all the parents to continue training our kids up in the Lord for Selynn, my advice to you is continue to keep God first, because it's not important, but it's the essential. Even if you go to college or go further from us, I trust that what we do to raise you up in the Lord will keep you safe. Your encouragement in the family, God, we prefer the Achalang. Min the Bible, I think it gets possible to the key. I've had written on God. You were careful to go up, should Bible me. Careful to go out wrong. But one you suffer. I can't look near the Selynn. One color in the sun. I told you research in the Bible, I think it gets. We check me to book up body, apa sa? Amen. Kiriso, the village. Ikaw mo sila na putuwa orang. Kami ay apiluguluk. O ye was all amniotic. The rest of the graduates, elementary, middle school. My advice is for you is always put God first, and He will take you places you will never dream. I alikuluk. Ye check me dengan bukara besar. Dan tadaban mebet karib anfilo kiliso relami buat nomnya fidat kiliso relami buat wabir tu ni dipat. Nah, cekik sama dengan parfiti kevi, ya produk cekik, ini HWCR kini suku. Selynn, come up here. Kamu cepat Selynn yang mau
I'm just gonna first say my thanks to the Lord. I want to thank Him for allowing me to graduate from high school. I want to thank the Lord for guiding me throughout my high school experience and for being there for me through tough times. I want to also give my thanks to each and every one of you guys for showing up here today. Thank you. Means a lot. Thank you to those who stayed up last night to decorate for this place, and also thank you for those who thank you to those who also took the time to cook food for this whole thing. Yeah. I also want to especially give my thanks to my parents, because without them none of this would have been possible. Thank you to my mom for going through the stress of planning this whole party, and also for my dad for being there to also help with everything as well. Thank you for all my family members that came from afar. Thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I love you guys.
Come on, let's hear it, guys. Clap for Anti-Luxury.
Para isso, Rotary, que essa por Rotary, leva te para que te vê That is it. Never for this so get it Rotary.
Eu quando começar a colocar você aqui seu eu para você aqui seu minicor esse coisa aqui seu ali faz ele que eu sendo-me Selynn Rafa a fazer aquele seu ele parte só pode é aquele seu ele só family me não Seattle focul que ele só por mim que ele que e essa por mim essa focul no meio se querem que ele só ele quando ele family me fez esse doar Saman kurang dia tak segera itu kan medani warna lain tapi wan veritan Titi and Selynn Kate on Subon. He's really one of them Navy that. Para beside the Soviet Navy. One of the things I will share with you guys is the importance of knowing God in your life. I agree get what he give you guys one advice. You should send back a coma and that's made it sin. I hope you see the money even Navy. I agree that for good Christian talk, me donkey, Syrian Center family, or family, friends and family, but church. Thank you very much.
Selynn menjadi koi awes dia kiri su jabu.
Otherwise, it's already program. Yeah. Okay, cheers. Kare, cheers. Mate, it's already program. Huh? It's already program. No, seriously, it's already program. Huh? Bro?
I don't know.
Back to the vlog, girls.
Sava from Portland.
Hello.
Yeah.
Charity aja kosot. Agi bisa kaboga. She's taking all the food.
Seattle food over Portland food.
Only nakataparin ni apa cek. Yori. Kaboga. Naket apa? What's the plan?
We're gonna wait until the music starts, and then we're gonna tell Selynn to dance.
All right.
And we're gonna have all the kids together, all the aunties. I want all of them to go dance. Except for Indonesia.
Lagyan ng cake oh.
Yay! I took part of my concept.
Hi, Tay. Haven't seen you. Hey, wanna pupunta? Bay. Rasen, look at your mom. Look at your mom. Look at your mom to put in $1. Pecus. So, which one? Complete. Complete, push the ceiling. Come.
Yeah!
Thank you guys for all coming. It was really fun today.
Thank you.
Congratulations on this big achievement. I'm proud of you, and the family is too.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Selynn. I love you.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
I was on that.
Mommy, you want to say something to Selynn?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Kristong ini kotren panson congratulations ini animation atotoran syukur aku wakut dan berkasih so
thank you. Grazie.
Thank you.
So
Congratulations ini itu rasanya so ini kotren ya cocok so ini
so one second. Okay. So, you want to say something to the graduates?
Study hard. Do your best. Dream big.
You don't have to keep going back.
Oh, I know.
It's
I'm like.
good.
But yes, congratulations to all the graduates. We're very proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Congratulations, I'm so proud.
Thank you. Hey, you want to say something to the graduate? You.
Congratulations.
Are you keep running away.
Thank you, Seahawks, for hosting Cardinals.
Okay.
We're so full. Thank you.
Thank you. Apa sa kapung ini ke Chuukese?
Napo, it is so that I ran again, yeah, about 50. Congratulations, good for meeting you.
Evita?
She's a Seahawks fan.
So many photos very
So,
Congratulations, Selynn. We are all so proud of you.
we keep running away.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
You're so good. Then they will medicine. And we are total. One somewhere out there. Near one. And I saw this. Near God. Near the curve. Congratulations.
Thank you. Mike, you want to say something to the graduate?
Yes, congratulations. Best of luck. Stay with it. And we look forward to seeing what's going to come.
All right. Thank you. You sure you don't want to say anything? Cara, you guys want to say something to the graduates?
Congratulations. Oh, life is ahead of you now.
So many good Parental and Yes. You need to go it. So many good medicine like that.
So really good medicine. Yes, make it.
Thank you.
It was so very good. I think it is that.
Ravi, show Ravi.
Sa paremit, pasay lang sa report kaya lahat ito sa pwede sa buwan na rin.
So, you.
It is so weird. Please like and subscribe.
Sis it.
Hi. Thank you for coming.
Okay. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the graduates.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. You, hurry up. Oh, kapung ini ke Chuukese.
Kanna puti. Make up from too bad. Say that for
Yeah.
You it? Congratulations, you give it a go ahead. So to New Kiriso Irikotrem, Mario Toto, Manderi, which for that.
Okay, thank you.
Congratulations, Selynn. I love you.
Bye. Jeanette, what you got?
Congratulations.
Look at me.
I'm proud of you for completing high school. I know you're capable of more. So, congratulations and thank God for pulling it through.
Thank you. Apa sa mo?
Birthday.
Ako kapung ini ke Chuukese.
Congratulations, Giri. Good luck on your next future. Always fear God.
Okay, thank you.